Owning and running a small to medium-sized business has many challenges. But what if you were able to have all the benefits of a big PLC, but without the costs and challenges of listing yourself? What if you were able to join a group of other like-minded small business owners, allowing you to open doors that up until now have been closed? Becoming part of the MBH Corporation could be the answer that you've been looking for. MBH has developed a new approach to building a robust group of companies pioneering a strategic growth model called Agglomeration. Protecting and preserving what made your business profitable, and with a community of like-minded businesses with the sole intention of enhancing the value of each individual group company. Converting your private shares into public shares with the MBH listing on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, and accelerating your growth trajectory using the resources of a growing PLC, expertise, skills transfer, cross-selling with other group companies and funding. Many profitable companies have become part of the MBH Corporation over the past few years, from all corners of the world and in diverse industry sectors that include construction, engineering, interior design, retail, education, food and beverage, lifestyle and healthcare. Companies moving forward and on the right track to success. So, if you're looking to take that next step and to unlock the value within your business, as well as being part of a business community of like-minded individuals, then becoming part of the MBH Corporation could be your best move to date. Find out more today at mbhcorporation.com.